Hello, welcome to my week 10 weekly summary. And so start off right at the bat. On Monday, we were just finishing up on our car project right there. Maybe we should add more pictures, but it's too late now. And so on Monday, we just like see if we can make any improvement to the car so it could go faster. But our group didn't want to take the risk of messing up the sensor, so we didn't really make a lot of improvement. So we used the time off to really work on that project. So this time we have different role actually. Last time I did work on the Excel model, but now this time I work on the Logo Pro video analysis and the story. So all that. And for week 4, on Wednesday, um we is where I present all my project stuff. We just talk about what we have here, our calculation, of the circular motion thing. And to do this, we use the polar coordinate equation, and we just plug it in and then just grab like a radius and just make a graph like that. And here's a VPython model from one of my group mate. It was really well done. Super slow, but it's going in the circle. So other than that, we did have a race. It was really funny because I thought that like our car was gonna have like an average time, which is like 28 seconds, but really we did really bad. We got like 46 seconds, the slowest car. But it's whatever, it's all fun and game. So yeah, we will also introduce you our next project. It's where we're making like a huge robot car like this one. There's a lot more part to this, but I can just want to I just like want to see like what it's gonna look like and stuff. But we got a lot of parts for it. We got more circuit board. Well, we don't have to solder because most of them are already soldered in. So this time we just assembling the car, I think. But I don't know what's the goal for this project. So I'm thinking that which car is the fastest, because I see the model, like I see this model is like kind of like exactly the same as this model that we just did, but like exceptionally more bigger. So it was cool. So overall, I did learn about a lot about stuff on this project. I learned how to solder, how to like really work with Logo Pro, and yeah, but I could, so basically I could use this learning from all the project reports to like car building from this project into I could carry that out into the next project. So how do I do this? It's like I can help out my group mate with their Logo Pro if they needed any help. And I know most of the part, like the sensor and everything. Well, not really well, but I'm looking into getting to know it more. So I'm really looking forward to building this robot right here. I think it will be a lot of fun. So yeah. Oh, also, I did spend a lot of time outside of class. I spent my time on working on the STEAM project right here. It's basically I went to this lecture that we have in our PVCC campus. It was about like cybersecurity and like how math used in like everyday life. And the speaker were really cool. Actually, I did like it was like a lot of thing that I really love to learn about. Like mostly like how like website like use like how the website use what we like researching for to give us like product to like advertisement. That's what I'm trying to say. So it was really cool to do that. And I also work on the discussion outside class, and yeah, that's it for my weekly summary.